Good morning. So what did I work on yesterday? Cleaned my whole desk and then knew that I needed to make a video this morning before I started a whole new project. Well, it was something from Shabby Art Boutique, and if you're in the classroom, yeah, I think that's what she calls it, and she gives you extra stuff and extra little projects, and I needed something little to fit in a gift bag, and so I made this, and I made 3 of them, and she is opening it up to people in November. So she gave us the whole printable, the diagrams, the measurements, and everything, and so they're all 3 the same, and it's T for 2, and it is raised. I pop dotted it, and it's a little mini folio, and it has an envelope that came with it, and I made a tag. It had a tuck spot right here, and here's extra roses. I thought about cutting this rose out and even putting it right here so it's even more 3-dimensional, but I kind of wanted it flatter so someone could actually use it. There is 2, I did change it and put 2 pockets here. Here's a pocket here. There's 2 different pockets right here. But I only have 1 tag there. So, and then the tea cup has a pocket right here with 2 little tags. See the little tags with the button and all. And then here is a little tea envelope she gave to us. I have flyaways. A tea envelope and pockets and tags, and I put it right there so you can see it, and then that's really cute. And then on this side she gave us the pocket situation, and here's a tag, and here's another for a tea bag, and I just stuck it in like this so that, how did I have it? Oh, it went in the pocket. So it went like that, and there's the back. I did make a tuck spot here on this one, and only this one, because when I glued it together I didn't square it up, and there was a little bit of glue wanting to snag, so I just put that there. I don't think that would fit in it. It might. No, it's a little tight, but there is a tag. So there is my little project I made. My husband was cutting grass yesterday, and then he starts cutting grass again today. I want to cut a little bit more grass because we have a couple of acres before I head to work, and of course I'm making a video. So there you go. So yeah, there they are. It's really cute. I like that she gave us the whole design and everything. So that's my little project share. I'll put her links down below so that if you're interested in joining, it's $9 a month, and she's on Etsy, Shabby Art Boutique, and what we get, then her stuff she sells on Etsy is very similar. So if you don't want to do $9 a month and not know what you're going to get, she always gives us extra, because this is the extra. This isn't the whole lot of stuff that she usually gives us. You can always just buy from her from Etsy. This is more or less her style, very shabby pink, and but the classroom opens in November, and then next year sometime, only twice a year. But I'll put her link down below. Thank you. Have a blessed day.